It feels weird because your cheeks wiggle, your ears, your body feels just completely weird playing down to that. That's like what, 18, 17, 18 hertz, something like that.
It's 18 hertz.
Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Who's next? Nice job, that was good. Insert head here, that's awesome. I like that sticker. Oh, hey, what's up, man? Do a video, JacobViral. That's a big speaker. Is that a 12 or 15?
15.
Woo! Oh, okay, wow. Nice. That's pretty cool. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Dan King. I got 621s, DD99 Supercharged, 6th order. Not really sure my tuning anymore. I've changed it too much to remember.
Okay.
Yeah, sheets loads.
Wow. Do you know your cubic space on this box at all?
The whole box itself is about 72, 73 cubes.
Okay. Nice. How much power and what is it wired to?
I have 6 AKs, so 1 per, and then it's wired to 1 of them.
All right. And your alternators, I saw you had 3 of them?
4 of them.
Oh,
4
370s.
Oh,
wow, 4 370s. Wow.
Brand X.
Okay. And how much lithium?
320 amp hours Yingling.
Okay. Man. All right. Awesome. Have you done any kind of SPL test on it?
Not recently.
Yeah.
It's hit 160 at like 35, but I prefer the lows.
You just you play the lows. All right. Yeah, man. I would love to hear it. This is pretty cool. Okay. Nice. Looks really good. I like your yellow and blue theme.
Thanks, man.
So what is this? What is this theme name? I can't remember.
It's Minions.
The Minions. Okay. Minions. Yeah. Nice. Who painted that? That looks good.
It was Frankie J. Fry.
Okay. Nice.
Fort Myers.
Give a like to Dan King. This is a crazy Minion theme style 621s. Be sure to give him a like.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, man. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah.
That's crazy. You were floating the Minion. Well, I like your amp style layout.
Because I made all that myself.
Oh, okay. And you're able to actually see everything without it being underneath, crammed. That's a good idea. Nice. Good little cooling system. That's pretty cool. Man, yes. It feels weird because your cheeks wiggle, your
Yeah.
ears, your body feels just completely weird playing down to that. That's like, what, 18, 17, 18 hertz, something like
yeah,
that.
it's 18 hertz.
Wow. What was your name? Thank you very much.
Dan King.
Dan King. Give
Appreciate
a
you.
like to Dan King. This is a crazy Minion themed style 621s. Be sure to give him a like.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, man.